What's that?
Is it up?
No, we can leave it down.
No, is it up? But leave it down.
I think you need to work on your jigging technique a little more. Don't touch the lantern, it's hot. What's that? You're hot? Yes, that is hot. That's why we don't touch it. Well, so we can heat this place up so we're not that cold. The heat is good.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to catch anything with your jig like that.
Yeah.
It's got to be, it has to be in the water, buddy.
Why?
Because that's where the fish are.
Why you put out here?